How to download and install TCF Bank mobile banking app. So if you want to download the mobile banking app of TCF Bank, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So it can easily be found on your Google Play Store. So you just have to open up your Google Play Store and you have to tap on the search bar and search for TCF mobile banking app. You can see over here also. Once you search for that, you will be easily able to see this application. Simply tap over install and it will take a few times to install it on your device. You just have to wait for a while. Once you install that, you can either log into your account, or if you have to activate, then you can activate your account. And by doing that, you will be easily able to transact money to other various accounts, and there are many more other features of TCF mobile banking app. It will be easy for you to pay bills and many more. You just can open and you can explore to it. And few seconds later, you can see TCF mobile banking app has been installed on my device. You just can go for open and go for the further process. So this is how you download and install TCF Bank mobile banking app. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.